Today, what we're going to do, Year 3 for English, is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. Now, we use pronouns so our writing doesn't become repetitive. Repetitive means that we hear the same thing over and over again. So that's actually kind of a little bit boring if we use the same words over and over again. And so when we're doing our writing, any kind of writing, we have to try and make sure that we don't sound too repetitive. Here's an example. Precious, cake are both nouns. Precious is a person and cake is a thing. So let's have a quick little review of these things. We have people, places, things, and ideas as well. Here, precious and precious is repeated. And we also have cake and cake repeated. So instead of saying precious the second time, we could change it to she. And instead of saying cake the second time, we could change it to it. So we can now make the sentence a little bit more interesting by saying Precious made a cake and she put it on the shelf. She put it. So we're changing it to pronouns. Pronouns are used instead of the noun. So here are some of the pronouns that we're going to be using. I, you, he, she, it, they, and we. It depends on if it is singular or plural though. Who can tell me which ones of these are plural? Let me ask Jada. Hello, Jada.
Hello.
Hi. Which ones of these pronouns are singular? One thing. Which ones are singular?
You, I.
I, yes, and?
He, she. It.
It. Excellent. I, you, he, she, it are all singular. There's only one of them. Thank you, Jada. Let's ask Muhammad. Muhammad?
Okay.
Hi. Which ones are plural? More than one. Which ones are plural from these pronouns?
We.
We and?
They. And in the middle, you.
You, exactly. You can be singular and plural. This is a little bit of a trick question for you. We're going to have a look at that now. Now, this one is tricky. You can be used for both singular and plural. So we've got singular you and plural you. So this is the tricky one. Now, here the teacher is pointing to the whole class, and she says, do you remember what we covered in the last lecture, in the last class? She means all of them. So this one is plural, okay? We can use you as a plural form, all of you. All of you are doing really, really great, and I'm happy that all of you are here on my class today. We can then also say a singular you as well. You are the best student. Now, I can't say who this is at the moment, who the best student is right now. We will see with the reports. And so that's how we can use you for singular and you for plural as well. Now, I want you to do the opposite. He will bring many sweets and toys for me. I want somebody to change to a name, a pronoun instead. Have a look at Lily. Hello, Lily.
I will choose a name.
Okay, who is he? Who's going to bring many sweets and toys for you?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. So read the whole sentence for me, Lily.
Ahmed will bring many sweets and toys for me.
Ah, bravo, Lily. Thank you. Maria. Hello, Maria.
Hi.
He will take me for a picnic. Who is he? Change it to a noun, please.
My dad?
So read the sentence, please.
My dad will take me to a picnic.
Oh, very nice. Thank you, Maria. You sound very sleepy, honey. So all of these pronouns, I, we, he, she, they, you, me, us, him, her, them, it, we can use all of those when we're wanting to change a sentence that's too repetitive. Some pronouns are singular and some are plural. Singular ones from this group, I, he, she, me, him, her, it, you. So this is one thing or one person. And then when we're doing multiple things or multiple people, we, they, them, us, you. Now, there's a little bit of a trick here though. There's a rule. The rule is when we use a singular pronoun, we use a singular verb of was. And then when we're using a plural pronoun, we use a plural verb changing it to were. This is one of the tricky ones in our sentences. Now let's have a look. Shall we do some exercises together and you guys can finish them off for homework? Hi, Yusuf.
Hello.
Hi. Would you like to do the first exercise? This ball is small. Is small. What do you think the answer is to change it to a pronoun?
It.
It. Very good. Is it a capital letter or is it a small letter for it?
Capital letters.
So we do a capital letter because it is the beginning of a sentence. Farida, hello?
Hello.
Hi. Can you read the sentences for me, please, and write the correct pronoun in the second sentence?
The rose is red.
And the correct pronoun?
It is red.
Good. Excellent. So it is red because it is a thing. It is not a person, right? So that's why we need to make sure that we're using it.
Hello.
Hello. We're going to do the next one here. Can you please read the sentence for me? The sentence here.
My father is a farmer.
Good. Now, how do we change my father? What pronoun do we use?
He.
He. Very good. Thank you. So we write he. Can you read the sentence now?
He is a farmer.
Excellent. Thank you, Montasser. Very, very nice. Next two, I'm going to get you guys to finish that one by yourselves. So we have my mother, which pronoun is my mother, and Lucky is the name of a dog. So that means, what is this pronoun here? Okay, guys, so let's finish those ones for homework. Number 23, we're going to circle the right one. So let's try, who didn't answer? Omar. Hello, Omar.
Hello.
Hi. Can you do A for me, please?
This is my brother. His name is Muhammad.
His name is Muhammad. Very, very good. Let's try Yusuf. So Yusuf, can you please do B for me? Thank you.
This is my sister. Her name is Sarah. I love her too much.
Excellent. Thank you, Yusuf. So the next exercises I want you to do are write the correct pronouns he, she, it, and they into the boxes underneath. Hello, Lily.
Hi.
Hi. Let's do a book. Can you tell me, is it he, she, it, or they? A book.
It.
It. Thank you. Hello, Jada.
Yeah.
Let's do gloves, Jada. The gloves.
They.
They. Why they, please, Jada?
Because they're plural.
Plural. Exactly.
Because they're not singular.
Exactly. Thank you, Jada. That is perfect answer. That's all for today, Year 3. Thank you. Please complete exercises 23 and 24 for your homework. Thank you. See you next time.